Hello and welcome back to Interested Info. In this video I will show you how to change language on DJI Mic 3. Let's begin! First of all, you want to get into the settings. You can do that by swiping from the top to the bottom. Like that. Then you want to scroll all the way to the right and enter General. In here you want to scroll once. You can go into language, and here you have a couple of languages to choose from. But you probably want to stay with English. However, as you can see, you have plenty of different options to choose from. But I will once again stay with English. And then you can just leave and you have your language. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.